Alright, so I just got my Bosch RA1181 router table in. Came via UPS, and the first thing I wanted to check was the trueness of the tabletop, since there was a lot of reviews saying that there was a bad production run of these, and it's a known issue. So what I did, I took my square here and did some tests across it. Notice right here that looks good and true. Checked it periodically here and there. Checked it right across here. There's a little bit of a wobble here. You can kind of hear it chatter. Now whenever I went diagonal though, well actually you can even see the gap right there in the under the ruler. You can see where it's gapped, and so there's a low spot obviously. There it is. So you can see the gap, and it seems to be right around the grooves right here for I guess your feather boards and whatnot. But it pivots on that. And the same thing was true on the other side of it, right around this, that same little groove on this end. Yeah, see, we got a wobble going there. So it's pretty, yeah, it's a pretty substantial gap right here. Now, like I said, you look right beside it and it's perfectly smooth. There's no gaps or anything like that. Looks good all the way down it. Anytime you go diagonal, so even diagonal right here looks fine. But right across, when it gets close to that, this little slot here, that's when it gets all wobbly. So that looks good right here. A little bit of warpage there too. Very, very slight. But right there around these grooves though, it's really bad. This is just straight up alongside of that groove and it's still doing it. So I managed to get a defective table, it appears, so there you go. That's what it looks like, and that's how you check it. Thanks for watching.